Hello everyone! So today I'm going to help you guys navigate a super fun math and science interactive website. So you're going to want to type in Science World for Kids, e-learning for kids, and then you'll scroll down and it looks like this. Click on that. It'll take a second for it to pop up. So here we are, da-da-da, Science World. This is super fun. So we are in grade 2, so you're going to want to come over here where my cursor is. You see this little bird on this buoy, and it says grade 1, and we're not in grade 1, so we'll want to change that. You'll see a list of all the grades. You're going to click grade 2, age 7 to 8. So now that we're in the correct grade, let's go and explore. So as you can see, there's many different levels. It goes all the way up to 8. So we'll press level 1, and I'll show you a little bit. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different icons you can click on. Let's click on the one that says start here. And it takes a second to load, so you'll see this. Give it a few seconds. And then a little turtle and a lady will pop up. So this little turtle right here, if you hover your cursor over him, he says, if you need any help, click on me. So if you need any help navigating where you are or you're lost on the website, click on him and he'll help you. So here are some things that we can learn about dirty air and animals. Where do the animals belong? Let's click on dirty air and animals. And it'll load, and then she will talk to you and explain what the task is.
If the environment is bad, the animals get sick. That's why it's important to keep the air, the water, and the land clean. My father told me what happens to them exactly when the air is dirty, but I can't remember what he said. Can you help me remember?
So, dirty air can make it more difficult to breathe for land animals. Is the above statement true or false? If it's true, you will click the check mark. If it's wrong, you'll click the X, and then you can move on to different animals. Then we're going to come up here and click the X. So that's what this looks like. Then we're going to press right here that says back to world. And this you can see all the levels. We're going to go to the left of the navigation bar on your left side of your screen. And all these words up here, don't worry about any of this. What we want to worry about is the things on the bottom. So you can select your world. So right now we're in the science world, but you can go to the math world. Let's go over there. Math world, da, 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 and it looks the exact same. So the math world, level 1 starts to the right hand of your screen. Right here it says level 1, start here. And it is the same type of setup. So we'll click start here. Wait for it to load. And you can pick the little bird instead of a turtle this time. So if you need help, click on the bird and he'll help you. Let's click on him. So he says click on any button to start with an exercise. So let's click on missing numbers. This is an exercise that will be very fun.
Numbers. Some numbers are missing. Can you help me find the missing numbers?
So there's all these sheep, 10 sheep. You have to fill in the missing numbers. So start from 1, go to 2. What's the next number? 3. So you're going to type 3. 4, 5, 6. And you'll type in 7. That's the missing number. And then 8. What's the next one? 9. And then you'll click the blue button that says check. And
Good job.
it said we did a good job. So then we can move on to number 2. So that is the math world and the science world. We can go over back to our left-hand corner where the navigation bar is. And you'll see it says language. And you can choose between Spanish or English. And then at the very bottom on the left hand of your screen, you'll see grade level. So you can switch your grade level here or back where we saw the buoy in the water right here. So there's 2 places to change your grade level. And remember, we want grade 2 because we are in grade 2. So this is how you navigate e-learning for kids, the math world, and the science world. I hope you guys enjoy learning and have fun with the exercises.